Rizal, magulat ka pala. Pagkahalit ka man ng mga tao, mawala ka dyan kasi bago magsama ang signal ng speech. Hello?
Guys, alam niyo, wala kaming balak na pag-competition sa inyo. Oo, ihamak, magaling kayo namin. Pero, hindi kaya...
Hindi kaya dapat kayong mag-ibig sa iba? Although bago ka na po, for everything but defense in a good way, right? Girls, flowers are for the bees as well as balls are for the
Basketball players for sports oriented people.
and that goes for you guys. So, keep to yourself. So, she's right. Ayaw ko na siya mabuhay.
Ano ka ba? She's still breaking your spirit.
And besides, we're fresh out from the 7th grade. Wala na ng pagkakaroon ng mga experience.
Look, don't let it make you feel discouraged. It's all like that. Although, this is my first time doing it.
Thanks, ha? So, we got to go. We still have that.
Sige, tara baka tayo mali.